हाय डॅड.
ए इकडे इकडे कुठे निघालाय?
कॉलेजचा फॉर्म आणायला.
काय करायचं ठरवलंय?
कॉमर्स ग्रॅज्युएट.
तू ड्युअल ग्रॅज्युएशन का नाही केलं?
अजिबात नको.
का नको?
अहो बाबा, 12वी नंतर 5 वर्ष मी माझी फुकट घालवली.
वैभव, ते दिवस संपले.
म्हणजे
अरे सेंट अँजेलोस कॉम्प्युटर एज्युकेशनच्या मदतीनं हा 3 वर्षात ड्युअल ग्रॅज्युएट होऊ शकतो इझिली.
कसं?
नॉर्मल कॉलेज मधनं ग्रॅज्युएट व्हायचं आणि त्याच वेळी सेंट अँजेलोस कॉम्प्युटर एज्युकेशन मधून IT ची डिग्री घ्यायची.
डॅड, डिग्री नाही, डिप्लोमा.
डिग्री, युनिव्हर्सिटीची डिग्री.
डॅड, दिस इज नॉट फेअर.
12वी नंतर युनिव्हर्सिटी मधून IT ग्रॅज्युएट होण्यासाठी सुद्धा तुम्ही सेंट अँजेलोस कॉम्प्युटर एज्युकेशन मध्ये प्रवेश घेऊ शकता. सेंट अँजेलोस IT ग्रॅज्युएट प्रोग्राम मध्ये प्रवेश घ्या आणि युनिव्हर्सिटीची डिग्री मिळवा. सेंट अँजेलोस कॉम्प्युटर एज्युकेशन, क्रिएटिंग ग्लोबल करिअर्स.
Great shot. Thank you.
Hey, Jeet, Ani. Rohan. Hi.
Hi.
Where the hell are you guys? You don't come for net practice anymore?
It was okay till the 12th standard. Now either you do graduation or play cricket.
Not necessary. I'm doing both. That's what surprises us. Why are you surprised? Even I'm doing my IT graduation, but I also enjoy playing cricket.
How do you manage both?
I play cricket in the morning and go to St. Angelo's Computer Education in the afternoon.
Oh, I see. So you are taking a diploma.
No, a degree from an university. Look, I have 2 choices. Either I become Sachin Tendulkar or Narayan Murthy. You can do the same.
That's great. When is the net practice tomorrow?
Come now.
After the 12th, you can also join St. Angelo's Computer Education for an IT degree from a renowned university and achieve a specific career rather than a generic degree. St. Angelo's Computer Education, creating global careers.
And now we'll listen to the radio ads.
शिक्षणाच्या बाबतीत विचाराल तर एका संस्थेनं तर क्रांती केली आहे, क्रांती.
कोणती संस्था पडताची?
सेंट अँजेलोस कम्प्युटर एज्युकेशन. 12वी नंतर सेंट अँजेलो कम्प्युटर एज्युकेशन मधून IT ग्रॅज्युएशन केल्यानंतर आपल्या समध्या पोरांना ग्लोबल करिअर मिळतंय आणि ते बी युनिव्हर्सिटीच्या डिग्री सहित.
काय म्हणताय प्रधानजी?
तर तुम्ही बी एकच नाव लक्षात ठेवा.
St. Angelo's Computer Education, creating global careers. Call now 986-786-4444.
क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो जहापना?
अब तुम 12वीं हो चुके हो, आगे के करियर के बारे में तुमने क्या सोचा है?
ये बंदा तो दिल की दुनिया में अपना नाम रोशन करना चाहता है जहापना.
खामोश, हम तुम्हारी एडमिशन सेंट एंजेलोस कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन में करने हैं, IT ग्रेजुएशन के लिए.
क्यों जहापना?
क्यों? वहाँ तुम्हें ग्लोबल करियर मिलेगा और यूनिवर्सिटी की डिग्री.
फिर मैं और अनारकली आपकी इस बेदर्द दुनिया से दूर कहीं अपना एक छोटा सा जहां बसाएं.
खामोश. सेंट एंजेलोस कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन, क्रिएटिंग ग्लोबल करियर्स. कॉल नाउ 986-786-4444.
एकदम बेस आहे महाराज. शिक्षणाच्या बाबतीत विचाराल तर एका संस्थेनं तर क्रांती केली आहे, क्रांती.
कोणती संस्था पडताची?
सेंट अँजेलोस कम्प्युटर एज्युकेशन.
So I'll definitely speak to each one of you here about the response of the ads made. I'm sure these ads will do for St. Angelo's what Amitabh Bachchan did for ICICI Bank. So I'm very sure about this campaign being very successful. I'm thankful to Mahesh ji, and I would now like to request anybody wants to ask a question to Mahesh ji, you are free to do so.
Mahesh ji.
He will answer.
I'm Anandita Banerjee. Can you hear me, sir? Thank you. Well, thank you very much for the wonderful ad. I believe that a lot of students will get motivated by the ad, and especially girls, you know, because nowadays on girls, they have ki mummy jo kahengi ya papa jo kahenge wahi karna hai. So nowadays it's not like that, you know, we also have our choice. So my question to you is what type of a career should students select in today's world, you know, in today's competitive world? What kind of a career students should go for?
I think more than the students, I think the parents should know what their children are good at. How the problems in our country happen because you force your children to do what they don't want to do. So it depends. Like my daughter has done her graduation in mass media, and she wants to, like, I told her, I said, you're not a mass media. I said, why don't you do a film? I'll produce a film. She said, if I'll do it when I want to do it, not because you're telling me to do it. So that is what should happen, you know, the children should be allowed to make a choice. Definitely you should help them in their choice. but I don't think you should have the parents try to fulfill their own dreams to the children. So that is what I think is where the crux is. So, but I feel children should, you definitely get to know what your child is good at. And I'm so happy today कि Sachin Tendulkar's father didn't tell him, do your graduation and then think of doing what you want to do. So straight from the 10th, I think he is just 10th pass, but I would love to be in his shoes and make even if half the money is making, I would be more than happy
Very
if my
true.
son takes up that profession. So that is what happens, he was allowed by his father. I don't know many people whether they know it. When Sachin was never a cricket player, he loved tennis, and his favorite tennis player was John McEnroe. But he used to play rubber ball cricket in his colony at Sahitya Savas in Bandra. And Sachin's brother Ajit was a cricketer. And Ajit is like one cricketer who you can take his photographs and make a manual out of how to play cricket. He's a very correct cricketer. And then he saw Sachin playing in the society, and he took him to Achrekar sir and told him he is my brother, he wants to play. And Achrekar had this eye for talent. Achrekar saw him in the nets and he said he is brilliant. So the parents allowed him to change the school, and his practice was at Shivaji Park. So his father asked Sachin to stay at his uncle's place at Prabhadevi so he could go to school from there and go for practice. Somewhere Sachin's father knew what my son should do in life. So that is one example of how they sacrificed a lot. The son is to come home only on Saturdays and Sundays. And they gave him time to play, and they gave him time for his game to develop. And that is why there is Sachin Tendulkar today. So I just hope we need to find out what our children are good at. Like my son today, I know he is not too good at studies. I know that, and I know, and I have consulted some experts, and they told me he has a problem about studying. But then I know he is good at some things. He is good at computers, and I know that is where he'll score. So I don't force him also. I don't stop him from doing what he wants there. And I think that is what should happen. Like I remember when I was a child, I wanted to be a doctor. And I'm so happy I didn't become, because I would have not been a good doctor. I don't have the patience required from a doctor. But I was a very good artist, and I have passed my 2 exams, elementary and intermediate, of drawing. So my dad was telling me go to JJ School of Arts, but he didn't force me. And that is why, later on, it's like water will find its own course. Don't try to make a course. It is free flowing. I think the talent will find itself, and the children will definitely choose a profession which is the right profession.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Maheshji. I think that was brilliant, and like how we are into the profession of education, even Mr. Mahesh Manjrekar is in the field of education, because through films, he or any other director, producer, actor conveys a message to the society. So he is also an educator, just like we are. And thanks a lot for all your questions. I request all of you to enjoy your dinner with us and have a pleasant evening. Thanks once again to be a part of the St. Angelo's family and being here on our request. Thank you. God bless. Thank you.